Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is foldable number 3. It's also going to be a quad foldable number 3, and it's going to be 2.5 or section 2.5 piecewise functions with 3 functions in them. This is the template again, but I'm also going to give you a glue and do as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on this sheet of paper as well. So if you notice here, we have 3 functions to graph here. So we're going to go ahead and get to it. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the domains, which we have different domains here, different restrictions. So if we notice here, these are both at the -1. So we'll go to -1 and put our first restriction. Then we have the next ones are at +3. So we'll go to +3 and put our restrictions, asymptotes. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and make the first one green. The second one purple, and the last one in blue. Alright, here we go. So the first one we can see is an absolute value function. It's actually been translated 3 units up, so but it's restricted here. So we're going to go to our origin. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 up, and we're not going to have this part that's on this side. We're only going to have the part that's here. So 1, 2, 3. So this part, 1 over 1 up. It is going to be a closed circle because it's less than or equal to, and then it's going to continue upwards. Where did I do my ruler? There it is. So I know it kind of looks like a line because it technically is a ray, but it kind of looks like a line since we don't have the rest of the, right there. All right, then we go ahead and go to our purple. And this one here is a quadratic, makes a parabola. This one has been translated 3 units down, so it's 1, 2, 3 units down. So go ahead and put our thing. This is, and they're both going to be 1 over 1 up, 1 over 1 up. But this is at -1, it's open circle. And then at +3, it's going to be closed circle. So we go, and then we go 2 units, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we do 3 units, 1, 2, 3, then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, closed circle. Go ahead and draw our parabola here. All right, so we have open circle, closed circle. And we have our last one, which is a absolute value function again. And this is going to be translated down 4 units. So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to be positive, so it's going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. This is the point where we're at 3, open circle, because we can't actually hit that one because it's just greater than, not greater than or equal to. So we're going to go up 1 over 1 again. Do it one more time just for funsies. And then go ahead and graph our absolute value function. All right. So this is it. This is the function here. When you flip this over on this side, it's actually going to be a absolute value slash, I'll just do it on black, quadratic slash absolute value piecewise function. Even though the outside one, the 2 outside one they look linear, they're actually not because they're actually absolute value. It's just because of the restriction of the domain. It doesn't actually show the V part. Like this one would go to here, go up. This one would actually go all the way down to here and then go back up. But since it doesn't exist on this side, and this one doesn't exist on this side, and this one doesn't exist on this either side, only in the middle, this is what we end up with.